Hello, boys and girls. Today is your second day with the suffixes ER and EST. Okay. Can you just give me one or just try? Yesterday, we started talking about adjectives and how they can be comparative or superlative, adding ER as a suffix or EST. When we have the word tall, Kara is tall. If you are you're using the comparative form, you can use taller. Kara is taller than Amy. If you want to use the superlative form, the EST, tallest. Kara is the tallest girl here. So we have the two suffixes you could add on to adjectives, ER or EST. Remember, when a word that ends in a silent E, like blue, you only hear that you do not hear the sound. So what you would do is you would add the R or the ST. Since the E is already there, you just can't hear it. It's silent. So blue, bluer, bluest. A word that ends in a short vowel with one consonant, like hot. You have the O, short vowel with one consonant T. What you need to do here is you double the consonant and you add ER or EST because there's just one vowel, one short vowel and one consonant. It becomes HOTTER, hotter, HOTTEST for hottest. And then finally, words that end in Y. What you need to do is you need to drop the Y and add I. So you change the Y to an I and add ER or EST. So lucky becomes luckier, LUCKIER, and luckiest, LUCKIEST. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you're going to watch the video on suffixes and then continue down your PowerPoint. What are comparative adjectives? An adjective that can be used to tell how one thing is different than another. So the elephant is taller than the camel. When you're adding ER means more. It's used to compare two items. So the cheetah is faster than the bunny. When you're adding EST, it means the most. It's used to compare three or more items. The cheetah is the fastest. So what you're going to do here, you're going to explore some different animals and compare them using ER and EST. So each animal is carrying a weight. Which animal is strong, stronger, and strongest? So I will model this one for you. The ant has the smallest weight. So the ant is strong. I'm going to move that adjective here. I can see the next biggest weight would be the snake. So the snake is stronger. And then the ape has the biggest weight, so the ape is the strongest. You're going to do that for which animal is the tallest and which animal is the longest. Then finally, what you're going to do is you're going to read each sentence, add an ER or an EST suffix to the adjectives. So we have Jenny's red sweater is warm than her pink one. So when we're reading, we always think about what looks right, what sounds right, and what makes sense. So Jenny's red sweater is warm than her pink one. It looks right, but it doesn't make sense. Jenny's red sweater is warmer than her pink one, or Jenny's red sweater is warmest than her pink one. The one that looks right, sounds right, and makes sense is warmer. So on number 1, I would type the box and I would type in warmer.